So now we're going to look at dot product. Dot product is an operation that we can do with vectors, okay? Now our answer is not a vector, it's just a number, 5, negative 22, whatever. So if I have two vectors, notice I've got them written in component form there. The horizontal and vertical components for vector u are u1 and u2. The horizontal and vertical components for vector v are v1 and v2. Or I could write them in ai plus bj form, right? u1i, u2j, etc. Here is our formula for dot product. So that is actually a dot there in the middle, u dot v. Notice what we're doing is multiplying the horizontal components. So it's the product of the horizontal components plus the product of the vertical components. So if I want to do u dot v here for this first guy, I'm doing the product of the horizontal components. So it's 7 times negative 1, right? If that's a negative I, plus the product of the vertical components, negative 5 times 3. So I'm going to have negative 7 minus 15. So negative 22. So again, it's just a number. Doing the same thing on the next one, u dot v, product of the horizontal components, negative 1 times negative 6, plus the product of the vertical components, negative 8 times 5. So we get a positive 6 minus 30, so negative 24. If it's written in component form, we do the same thing. So here I'm doing the vector 4, negative 9 with the vector 7, negative 1. So they've already put the dot in there for me, right? So that's going to be 4 times 7 plus negative 9 times negative 1. 28 plus 9, 37. Again, same thing. We're just doing the dot product, so we're product of the horizontal components, which is negative 9 times 8, plus the product of the vertical components, negative 8 times 6. So negative 72 minus 48, negative 120. Piece of cake, right?